Good morning, tree lovers. I am Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters. You can find us at thetreeplanters.com. We are professional tree installers that have been in business in Central Florida for over 50 years. This is a Drake elm. It has about a 7-inch trunk diameter. The height is roughly 20 feet tall, and the spread is roughly 20 to 22, maybe even 24 feet wide. This is a magnificent tree. If you want something to really set off your front yard or your backyard, wherever you want to put it, this just might be the tree you want. This is a tree that has a weeping effect, as you can see. This is a mid-sized tree. It provides plenty of shade, but it is a mid-sized tree. It's not like an oak tree that's going to get 60 or 80 feet tall. I think the maximum height on this is 30 to 40 feet. And on this particular type of elm tree, the spread is going to be roughly what the height is. So I'm just trying to walk around it. I can't get back any further, so you have to kind of look at it with a close-up view. Here, let me step back a little bit. If I disappear quickly, it's because I fell in a hole. I'm at a tree farm and there's holes everywhere. This is why we don't bring customers to the tree farms, because it's not a good environment for people to walk around in. If you want this tree, you can go to our website and contact us through the website, or you can call me personally on my cell number, which is 863-581-0486. This tree is for sale for $3,500. Planted and guaranteed for 1 full year. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day.